Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to control your meeting settings during a class call. To control the meeting settings and manage participants, open Edit Meeting Details in the Post tab or in the Calendar. Choose Meeting Options. You will be redirected to an online page where you need to sign in again. Enter your username and password. Another way to access the meeting options is when you are already in the call. Select Controls, then click View More Options to access the Meeting Options page. To control the class, choose Only Organizers and Co-Organizers can bypass the lobby. In this case, all students will remain in the lobby and will only enter the class after being admitted by the teacher. Another option is to turn off the lobby and select People in My Organization. This will allow only users from your school to join the meeting directly. Follow the exact steps shown in this video. Disable microphones, cameras and reactions for participants. Do all the changes needed and then click Apply. Now you can see that their microphones and cameras are disabled. They cannot control the meeting or turn their microphones on. If you want the students to talk, you need to enable their microphones by clicking on the three dots and selecting Allow Mic. When they finish, you must disable their microphones again. Setting these options will help you control the students and prevent them from disturbing the meeting. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.